So I've told you that conjugation is not sex. I want to talk about that again with a slide. Now remember, the whole point of sexual reproduction is to increase diversity in a population. More diversity means better chances, overall chances for survival when environmental conditions change. Horizontal gene transfer achieves diversity within bacteria, just like sexual reproduction achieves diversity within eukaryotes. And horizontal gene transfer does include elements akin to sex, but is not actually the same as sexual reproduction. And this is why. In sex, you have meiosis. So remember, meiosis is when you have a cell that's diploid. Set of genes from mom, set of genes from dad. Diploid means two sets of genes, one from each parent. In meiosis, the two sets of genes shuffle and then divide in half. So you end up with 4 gametes. Each one has half the amount of genetic information from the original cell. So in sexual reproduction, you have alternating diploid haploid phases. You have diploid organisms that have 2 sets of genetic information, one from mom, one from dad, and haploid phases, which for us are the sex cells, sperm and egg, where it's got half the genetic information. 2 haploids from 2 different individuals fuse to make a diploid again. The diploid organism creates haploid cells for sex, and then again, the process continues. So alternating diploid haploid phases in sex. And then also in sex, you have a full set of genetic information from both parents that are shared. Full set, one of every possible gene from, one of all the genes from mom, one of all the genes from dad. 2 full sets of genetic information are blended in sex. Horizontal gene transfer, it's different. No meiosis. There's no cell division at all. Yes, bacteria perform binary fission. They do have cell division, but that's not part of horizontal gene transfer. Horizontal gene transfer happens at a separate time completely. It's not part of cell division. It's just a trading of genes without any kind of division involved. So there's no cell division. There's no gametes. You don't have haploid diploid phases. I wrote always haploid here. They're not really considered haploid. They have 1 chromosome and that's it. They don't have 2 parents. They don't share 2 sets of chromosomes. You don't have 2 full sets of genetic information that are shared. There's just small segments that are shared.